In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert SmartArt in Excel. SmartArt is a built-in way to turn plain text into clear visuals like processes, lists, and hierarchies, perfect for making your data easier to understand at a glance. You can follow along in most recent versions of Excel on Windows or Mac. Have your workbook open and a worksheet ready so you can place the graphic exactly where you want it. First, open the Insert tab. You'll find it along the ribbon at the top of Excel, next to Home and Page Layout. If your ribbon looks collapsed, click the small arrow in the upper right to expand it so you can see all the tools. The Insert tab is where Excel keeps anything you add to your sheet: charts, pictures, shapes, and, of course, SmartArt. Click Insert to activate it, and make sure the cell where you want the graphic to appear is selected. That just helps place the object neatly on your sheet. Next, click SmartArt. On most screens, it sits in the Illustrations group within the Insert tab. If your window is narrow, you might see a compact icon. Hover to confirm it says SmartArt. Clicking it opens the Choose a SmartArt graphic dialog. This is your library of ready-made diagrams, organized by purpose. Think of this as your starting canvas. Excel will insert a clean, editable graphic you can fill with your own text. Now choose a layout that matches your message. Use the categories on the left to browse. List is great for bullet-style points. Process works for step-by-step workflows or timelines. Cycle illustrates repeating loops. Hierarchy is ideal for org charts. Relationship shows how things connect, while matrix and pyramid help compare components or layers. Picture layouts combine images with labels if you want a more visual look. Select any layout to see a preview and a short description on the right. When you've found the one that fits, confirm your choice, and Excel will drop it onto the sheet, ready for you to customize. A few quick tips to finish strong. Click inside any shape to type your text, or use the floating text pane to manage items in a clean list. Drag the graphic's corners to resize it. Hold Shift to keep proportions. After insertion, the SmartArt Design and Format tabs appear, letting you switch layouts, add or remove shapes, apply styles, and change colors to match your theme. Keep labels short for readability, and choose a layout that matches the amount of content you have so everything stays legible on the sheet.